Aloha, everyone. Hello there. How you guys doing? My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. Today with this kind of like a tiki-ish Hawaiian, I don't know, Caribbean type of a look. So, hey, if you haven't been able to be in this channel, welcome to everyone. If this is your first time, and if you are a regular, thank you so much for waiting for those videos, you guys. Thank you very much for coming and stopping by. And today we're going to be trying to make the Ensemble. Even though it writes with an E at the beginning, we're going to make the Ensemble cocktail, sponsored by the Diplomatico Venezuelan Rum. Please stay here with me. This is Hi Bartender. All right, you guys, so first of all, please excuse all this little smoke right here, but as you can see, finally the sun went down. We are cooling off. It was a really high 90s today here in San Diego, but there's a lot of mosquitoes, so this thing is kind of like a citronella. It's not that we're doing some kind of like a tiki party or anything like that, but you know, the inspiration come out of these guys and wearing this lovely t-shirt. Why not? I mean, so I was wondering if you guys would like to join me and show you how to make the Ensemble cocktail. So this is actually one of the nicest rums that I've been having, and I gotta tell you, I mean, by itself is absolutely delicious. Big ice cube, 1.5, 2 ounces of Diplomaticos. You sit down, grab a book, and just enjoy the ride. It is absolutely amazing, very tasty, nice notes, toasty notes. There's a little bit of a toffee on it, and then it has like this really long, pronounced finish that you guys gonna enjoy. But we're gonna put it to the test with this really cool cocktail, which happens to be very, very refreshing. So let's start making our cocktail for all of you guys. Very simple. What you're gonna be using is 1/4 of an orange, dice. So remove the skin and just put them in there. Also, you're gonna grab a lemon. You wanna use 1/4 of it. And what you're gonna do is also, you wanna dice the lemon too, put them in there. You're gonna grab some, just a second. I think I got the wrong syrup. Give me 1 second, you guys. Haha, Demerara Syrup. We're gonna go for 1/2 ounce. All right, now we're gonna go for some Campari. This is gonna be 1/3 of an ounce. All right. And we're gonna put the main special ingredient, which is gonna be 1.5 ounces of Diplomatico Rum. Obviously, we need to integrate those flavors, so let's give it a little. Awesome. Let's get some ice. Get some ice. And let's double strain. Right. Now we're gonna grab a little bit of ginger ale. Stop it up. A little bit of the oils of the orange. A little bit of the oils of the lemon. And let's garnish it with a really cool twist. Orange and lemon. All right, you guys. The Ensemble with El Diplomático for those hot nights. Cheers, everyone, and thank you so much for hanging out. Remember, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.